XRP could explode by 200%, predict analysts who nailed the Bitcoin 2022 bottom. But of course, there's a catch. The pseudonymous analyst DonAlt tells his 50,900 subscribers of the Technical Roundup YouTube channel that XRP has a potential upside of 100% from the current level. DonAlt say he resumed buying XRP after taking profit on a position he entered in November of 2022.
I've been rebuying my XRP in here, basically, on the way up, because I think the XRP narrative could come in rolling again. The SEC case is getting closer and closer, and I think basically, if you have a stop loss on this thing, the upside is like a double to a triple, and the downside is like 10-15%, and the outcome of the case, or even if it's like just barely positive news, right? It doesn't even have to be the outcome. If there's just a frown on the judge's on the judge's face, while the SEC is talking, basically, you're gonna see quite a massive bump, and so like that risk to reward seems decent.
The analysts, however, urge caution as XRP trade is not risk free.
Obviously, you have to be careful on this as well. Easy way to lose a bunch of money.
According to DonAlt, the bullish thesis for XRP will be invalidated if the 6th largest crypto asset by market cap fall below 46 cents.
What's the invalidation for XRP? Fall back below 0.46 on the weekly. Like if we start losing this horizontal support, we're probably going to lose this diagonal too, and then it's just kind of shit.
As of right now, XRP is trading for 52 cents. At the time of making this video, that's my time.